Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm so excited to be doing an unboxing with NYX Cosmetics. I'm so excited to show you guys the new PR package that I got. I got so many requests on Instagram that you guys wanted to see some of the new products that were out and what they sent me, so I'm so excited to be sharing those with you today. So this is going to be an unboxing and first impressions video. So I went ahead and used the makeup on my skin today and I love the way that it turned out. My favorite so far is the cream contour sticks. They're amazing. They're super creamy. They go on really well. So for it being drugstore products, there are definitely some high-end dupes in here that you can get and save a lot of money on. So if you want to see how you can save money using this entire drugstore look, then please keep watching. Oh my goodness. Alright, so to start off, I am going to start off with the eyeshadow palette that I just saw. So this one is called the Smoky and Highlight. It's 01. So it comes with a ton of neutral colors up here, more of darker tones here. I love the red. And they actually threw in a green tone too, which is so pretty. So I'll swatch some of these for you guys so you can see. So this is the green. Now I'm going to swatch the blue. Oh wow. That's super pretty. So I really like the blue. And then we'll do the red. I love all three of these colors. This is going to be a great eyeshadow palette. Next, for the other eyeshadow palette, this is a really great spring eyeshadow palette. So it has a ton of different colors. I think it would be so fun to do like a spring or summer like makeup look with these colors. I think that would be so pretty. This would have been perfect for Easter. So I'm going to swatch these for you. I'm going to do this one. Ooh. Wow. I'm actually really impressed with how good the color payoff is for drugstore makeup. This is really great payoff. And they're super creamy, especially the pink one. That one's really creamy. And the turquoise. To do like an aquamarine color. That one's not as good as the others, but still really creamy and pretty. Still really creamy and pretty. So I love these colors. I can't wait to make a makeup look with those. Comment below what color you guys think of a smoky eye I should do. I am obsessed with the Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm really excited to see how comparable this one is. So I'm excited to see if this is like half the price, to see if it's just as good as Tarte. So this is the new NYX Highlight and Contour Stick. I've heard amazing things about this. This is the highlight side. And this is the contour side. There's not that much product, but still enough to be cheaper for the drugstore kind. So you can still get a lot of uses out of this. Eyebrow pencil. Ooh, with a spoolie on the end too. So I really like that. Can't wait to try this. New matte lipstick. We'll see what this color looks like. So this is NYX Lingerie. Oh, that's really pretty. I really like that one. A really good everyday color. And it does dry pretty quickly, but it doesn't look like it's cracking at all either. Another liquid lipstick. So this one's red. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That would have been such a good color for Valentine's or Christmas. Oh my gosh, yeah. That is, honestly, that's probably one of my favorite reds I've seen. The other ones I feel like they can be too orange, but this one I really like. This is eye glitter, so it looks like you prime it with this and then you add glitter. There's like a turquoise glitter and a black glitter. That could be fun. So it says it's face and body glitter. That would be so fun for like Coachella in all those summer concerts. That would be a lot of fun. Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Setting spray is a must, especially when you're baking, or else you're going to be so powdery and cakey looking. So definitely a finishing spray. And this is a Pro Fan Brush. It's super soft. Yeah, it's super soft. So this would be a really good highlight brush. Yeah, I'll have to try it out. So this is Butter Gloss. I've heard a lot. I'm so terrible. I just twist it off. I don't even take the plastic off right away. Oh, so that's a lip gloss. It's a pretty corally color. It'd actually be good for summer. I don't know if you guys can see it. You put it on your face before makeup and it gives it a really pretty hydrating glow, but I'll have to look and see if that's exactly what it's used for, but that's awesome. And then last but not least, HD powder. I've also heard good things about this, so it's very similar to Smashbox, but of course half the price. So I'm excited to see how this works, because sometimes people like to use clear powders instead of powders that have color in them, because it makes them more tan and it kind of takes the effect away from your contour sometimes. So a lot of people like to use those, so I'm excited to see how it works and how I like it. But I'm so excited to try all these products, and thank you so much, NYX, for sending me this awesome PR package. I can't wait to try it. I've heard awesome things about all of these products and I can't wait to try them. And of course, NYX has amazing quality of makeup almost 100% of the time. Everything I've used I've loved, so I'm excited to try these products out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.